हेलो इंग्लिश लर्नर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ड्रीम टू इंग्लिश, जहां ग्रामर होती है बिल्कुल इजी और फन। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं एमसीक्यू क्विज ऑन मास्टर प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस। और इस क्विज में होंगे आपके लिए 30 क्वेश्चंस और हर क्वेश्चंस के लिए होंगे 4 ऑप्शंस। तो आपको लिमिटेड टाइम में अपने आंसर्स को सिलेक्ट करना है और कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताना है कि आपने 30 क्वेश्चंस में से कितने क्वेश्चंस सही किए। तो विदाउट मेकिंग फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो यहां पर सबसे पहला जो क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए वह है शी डैश टू द ऑफिस एवरी डे। ऑप्शन है गो, गोस, गोइंग एंड गॉन। सो थिंक फास्ट। नाउ करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज गोज। नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। दे डैश फुटबॉल इन द इवनिंग and you have 4 options: plays, played, play and playing. Now correct option is play. Move to next question. He dash tea every morning. You have 4 options: drink, drinks, drinking and drank. Now correct option is drinks. Move to next question. We dash in Delhi. There are 4 options: lives, living, live and lived. Correct option is live. Move to next question. My father dash early on weekdays. There are 4 options: wake, wakes, waking and woke. Now correct answer is wakes. Move to next question. I dash up at 6 a.m. daily. You have 4 options: gets, getting, get and got. Correct answer is get. Move to next question. She dash English very well. You have 4 options: speak, speaks, speaking and spoke. Now correct answer is speaks. Move to next question. They dash not like spicy food. There are 4 options: does, is, do and are. Correct answer is do. Now move to next question. He dash not watch TV at night. So there are 4 options: does, is, do and are. Correct answer is does. Next question is the sun dash in the east. You have 4 options: rise, rises, rising and rose. The correct answer is rises. Move to next question. We usually dash dinner at 8 p.m. You have 4 options: have, has, having and had. Correct answer is have. Next question is she dash to music while studying. You have 4 options: listen, listens, listening and listened. Now correct answer is listens. Next question is I dash my homework every day. You have 4 options: do, does, doing and did. Now correct answer is do. Move to next question. The train dash at 7 a.m. There are four options: leave, leaves, leaving and left. Correct answer is leaves. I hope you are enjoying this quiz. और आपने इन 15 क्वेश्चंस में से कितने क्वेश्चंस सही किए हैं कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताएं। और बढ़ते हैं हम अपने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ। He dash his parents on Sundays. There are four options: visit, visits, visiting and visited. Correct answer is visits. Next question is children dash chocolates. There are four options: likes, like, liking and liked. Correct option is like. Move to next question. She dash hard for her exams. There are four options: study, studies, studying and studied. Correct answer is studies. Next question is we dash our room clean. There are four options: keeps, keeping, keep and kept. Now the correct answer is keep. Move to next question. My brother dash in a bank. There are four options: work, works, working and worked. Now correct answer is works. Next question is I dash coffee in the morning. There are four options: drinks, drink, drinking and drank. Correct answer is drink. She does not understand this rule. You have four options: do, does, is and are. Correct answer is does. Next question is dogs dash loudly at strangers. There are four options: walk, barks, barking and barked. Now correct answer is bark. Move to next question. He dash always on time. You have four options: come, comes, coming and came. Correct answer is comes. Next question is we dash English grammar daily. There are four options: practice, practices, practicing and practiced. Correct answer is practice. Next question is she dash to school by bus. There are four options: go, goes, going and gone. Correct answer is goes. Next question is I dash my parents every day. You have four options: call, calls, calling, called. Correct answer is call. Next question is the shop dash at 9 a.m. You have four options: open, opens, opening and opened. Correct answer is opens. Next question is he does his work honestly. You have four options: do, does, doing and did. Correct answer is does. Now the last question is they dash to the gym regularly. You have four options: go, goes, going and went. Correct answer is goes. So this is our quiz and now it's time to post your scores in comment sections. अगर आपको यह क्विज पसंद आई है तो इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep improving.